So when your table's delivered, the legs and the tabletop will be delivered separately. The tabletop will be protected by this bit like foam protection and have corner protection things on it. We'd recommend that you put this down on a rug, ideally, as well as the foam protection, or if not, the foam protection won't be enough. This protects the tabletop, which is why you're assembling it. The legs will come like this. They'll be packaged together. There'll be a kind of a postcard against got QR codes on it with different tabletop products. Once you've unpackaged the legs, you'll have four of them like this. They've got a threaded bottom end, and these go into a special fitting inside these corner blocks. So the corner blocks here are pre-attached, they're nice and secure. So what you're going to have to do is get the threaded bolt here. This goes into a special fitting that's already attached into the corner block. You can put that in and then you can start spinning these. You don't need to get these super tight. You can get it. So this space needs this space. And just give it a little nip up and you can see that's made a really nice solid attachment. Each of the legs has got a felt pad on to protect your floor. So you can go around and do that all of your legs, and then we'll flip the tabletop over. So when you finish screwing on the final leg, you'll need two people to flip it over. You're going to want to do this without trying to pivot all the way into the corner of the leg. So you can pivot to the edge of the table, but it will need two of you to kind of lift and pick. So if you get underneath, you need to pick it from one side. So it's fine on that bottom edge, but once you get from here, you're going to want to kick and lift it up and turn it over in the air. And then still need two of you to get out the felt, the protection pad at the bottom. So you can pick that up, get it out the way one set of legs, come round, get it out the way the other set of legs. So then you've got the table in position, nice and secure, without all protection on.